Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Find the value of x. Minus 2 to the power x into 3 to the power 1 equal to 12. So what we need to do to find the value of x is write 12 in exponent form. So that will be, let's see, minus 2 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power 1 equal to 12. So that will be minus 2 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power 1 equal to 2 into 2 into 3. So this will be 2 square. Minus 2 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power 1 equal to 2 to the power 2 multiplied by 3 to the power 1. We can write 3 as 3 to the power 1, because any number to the power 1, any number to the power 1 is equal to same number. So let's see, we can also write 2 square as minus 2 into minus 2, right? Because 2 times negative will give us positive, so 2 square can also be written as minus 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 1. So the reason is negative exponent, negative base, negative base with even exponent results in positive power. So this will be exactly same as this. So these two are same, so let's write the left hand side as it is, minus 2 to the power x multiplied by 3 to the power 1. So by comparison, x equal to 2. This is the answer.